Bibia kama.
Nyamiadum.
Dr. Sarpong ne research ne boyemu and a say Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia would win win. Results no and answer the research no chim say when ya
38.5%.
Right. And to chim what the research is all about.
I think first I was you're taking notice of the kind of survey Professor Smart Sarpong.
Okay. Yeah.
We need a baseline survey.
Baseline survey.
Baseline survey, at the share the behavior of people ahead of an event. Yes.
Say bibi ba be si nipa ne su a odanadi.
The behavior of people. The way nipa ne si dwene na ade no. They check it. Anyone ahead of an event. Into baseline survey Professor Smart Sarpong no. Or a couple of disclaimers to In fact, in the introductory paragraph, I tried to say there's a caution to political parties who are going to rely solely on this. Ebema omo campaign no omo ateso. Also no, Osanso can say elections have become scientific. Into if a political party thinks say the dynamics on the grounds in Kwana obetimi edi aye adwuma or dada no ho. Into miembo nra baseline survey results num. Into Selco Part A on the page 7 meaning sebet me there to screen so am on Facebook no so it me ahwebia. Page 7. There's a part that talks about preferred political party.
Page 7.
Page 7, yes. Preferred political party. That is political party in Kofo ye interview or survey no. Which party na most likely to vote for. Into no wosha wire graph according to the regions. Now graph according to the regions no. There's a red line. Red line no deals with National Democratic Congress.
National Democratic
NDC.
Congress.
Yes, NDC 4.
One more line
red. And a New Patriotic Party line a blue. Other parties no they're violet. And undecided. As a brown bisa.
As a brown no.
Yes. Now what's that graph now?
Red, blue, violet, and brown.
Yes. What's that graph now? The New Patriotic Party, a picky in Ashanti region. Yes, picky in Ashanti region. Yes. Now, so on the lowest point.
Brafom kakra.
Yes. Yes.
In Ashanti region, no. A half. Yes. Ewa form kakra, but a kosra. Maybe a vote no apart Ashanti region.
Yes.
Which you all know.
Yeah. Now, we share. On the lowest point in so I say koye voter region or OT region.
Voter region ni OT ewo form pa. Me who say upper west so upper west. I say upper west ni savannah. Upper west savannah voter work shro kakra say upper west.
Yes.
Right? Enti the ewo form pa no who say savannah any upper west and then OT any voter region. Ejina fipem and that's what mujina pe.
Yes, almost on the same level.
On the same level. It is the one from Pan probably might be Savannah and Upper West. Sana mi hu
yes.
Quite.
Now we share NDC for so graph now. Surprisingly, on my highest point here, Greater Accra region.
Yes, but higher swing. Greater Accra swing, but omono highest point Greater Accra, not region. The voter region.
Not the voter region. After Greater Accra region, no, and never voter region.
After Greater Accra, never voter region. Voter region.
Ashanti region.
Voter region. But me who say Ashanti was so.
Yes.
Me share Ashanti na. Any voter na Ashanti was
so. But voter no was so kakra bi Ashanti region.
Right.
Yes.
Right. Kitwe bi.
Yes.
There's a difference. Ne shada no so. The World Bank no voter na nyawa bi asa according to.
Yes.
But usually ya nipa dom so. What population sense no. And also makes
the population density of the area.
Exactly.
Now, I think one other thing, so a very key factor in this, which are undecided for the line now.
Yellow, no?
Yes, which are undecided for the line.
Yellow and brown.
Brown.
I say yellow, same brown.
No, undecided line there.
Brown, okay.
Yeah, brown one.
There be no red.
Red, okay. Undecided line, no. A highest ever Greater Accra region.
And no, who shall graph, no, so the men who the yellow. The men who know brown and yellow.
Okay.
Yellow. The men who know yellow and brown. Oh, yeah. The other funny be But me who yellow. Yellow ni NDC one.
Yes.
I'm confused me. MPP is blue.
Yes.
Undecided. Undecided na ye when ye NDC.
Yeah, when you NDC.
Yellow no ye NDC.
Yes.
Anti red no. As a red no na ye undecided. Yellow no ye NDC. It is true. NDC has the greatest or more vote no
Greater Accra region.
It's still so. It is still so. And you yellow. And you yellow. And then undecided
no so no the highest Accra. The highest number of undecided voters Accra.
As any MPP. Any MPP.
Almost the same level. Yes.
The same level.
So we check here. The number of omo and your margin say Metro Maria and as Metro Maria. The same number omo margin say Metro MPP.
And MPP, yes.
Yes. Into undecided no I think say Ashanti region so after Greater Accra Ashanti region.
Undecided.
Yes.
After Greater Accra Ashanti region. That's true. Yes, that's true. And now yellow dear not to say NDC for vote to Ashanti region. No, voter region is higher than NDC vote to Ashanti region. Voter region ranks higher. Map na yellow one. Voter region is the highest.
Upper East, Upper West,
is the highest. But voter region ufri voter eba bono omo bono mu kakra. Bono no was say Ashanti region. According to map now what they claim no bono no was kakra. Say Ashanti region, but Bono and then Ashanti region.
However, there's a part
Upper West, Upper East, and then Western region.
However, there's a part we all need to take notice of.
I mean the Central region. Yes. I meant the Central region. Yes, it's the Central region. Yes, it's the Central region.
There's a part also you taking notice of. Yɛn Western region. What check Western region?
Yes.
Aye undecided or Western region. Aye more than MPP ne NDC for ni na.
Undecided no also. Yes, in the Western region
more than MPP.
NDC is ahead slightly. Kitty ahead of NPP, but undecided no also.
I am more.
Essay Western region.
Yes.
Essay NDC and MPP. That's true.
It gives a clue as to what we should expect in the Western region.
Yes. There's Obianya na dwen so to am ha. Obianya no obetimi akasa ye ne dia.
Undecided more.
They can go anywhere. Yes. Sapepepe.
Into no yanko the table beneath it no.
Okay.
Hona Jews ni now. Which party are you likely to support in the 2024 elections?
Which party are you likely to support? Party bang. And now omuni omudi nkomo no obetai omachi 2024 elections. Party ni.
Okay, so according to research, 23,080 people I can say support NDC.
23,080 people.
That is 38.8%.
Research here in June 5th. June 5th.
Yes,
author June 5th, 2024 baseline survey report.
Or publisher June 5th.
June 5th.
Yes. But then research, the duration of the research occurred from 1st April to 30th April.
Okay, right.
Yeah. Indeed. New Patriotic Party, that is NPP, so
almost likely so better about supporting.
Yeah. 20,564. That is about 34.5%. Yes. Other parties, that's about 2,167. That is 3.6%. And undecided, yes, that is 13,735, making it 23%.
And those who have decided to support a political party, NDC.
Yes. However,
we
share table with any graphs now. It shows according to it, NDC is a more popular party than NPP at the moment.
At the moment,
yes, NDC.
That NDC
is a more popular party
among than NPP.
Than NPP. I feel you the next part of it. Page 9.
Page 9. Yehuri aqua page 9.
That party deals with the candidature. All right. Yes. Usha candidature now.
And the first one has to do with the party,
yes,
not the personalities.
Yes.
Party, NDC, MPP. So NDC has become more popular than MPP. Now, you're dealing with candidates. Flag bearers are Wamu Ejinama, NDC, NPP, any other. And have you undecided, Yanko?
Bisa, according to the regions.
So in the colors, no?
Yes.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia,
blue. John Dramani Mahama, red. and other
Others,
candidates
no,
green and undecided for
purple.
Purple, yes. And Yasha, I have origin that say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia onyanya adwuma ndu ho bebre into no the least number of people almost can say on
support.
Yes. I have origin. Now so sha edu Ashanti region a epiki pa and we show the disparity in the statistics in Ashanti region for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
And was so say or more for the party.
Yes.
Oshe party the Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia.
Exactly.
And was so essay party popularity of the party in Ashanti region. Okay.
It gives us a clue, sir. Maybe they have marketed the brand Bawumia
than the party itself.
NPP,
or
Ashanti
even
region.
the leadership in Ashanti region. Leadership in Ashanti region, no. As a one kasan microphone fili omo kase. Because the leadership represent the party, right?
Yes.
It maybe leadership no so krano microphone said that fili omo.
Exactly.
But omo fili Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia more. Okay, to aso.
And Ocean so Ashanti region is the highest point for Dr.
Muhammadu Bawumia.
The highest points for John Dramani Mahama, a Greater Accra region.
Wow. More than even voter region.
More than even
the
voter
highest
region.
for region. On the map, Greater Accra region.
But even with voter region.
Yes.
Also, you said earlier, how you can make it the population wise.
Yes.
Or compare the population, Ashanti region to voter region. You would even realize, yes, you would even realize say
with the numbers, no, 6,267.
Amount for two about Ashanti region, and this is more
yes.
in voter region because of population size.
Yes.
So I think the way it's in line.
Yeah, to us way.
Yes. Into Greater Accra region the highest.
No, but
points
we figure in Ashanti region, nipa omni omudi nkomo no. 1,008 or 1,348. In the voter region, it was 2,778.
Yes, I know.
It is still the voter region.
Yes. So after Greater Accra for John Dramani Mahama, a voter region.
Voter region.
Yes.
After Greater Accra, a voter region.
Yes.
But for Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia, after Ashanti region,
a Greater Accra.
A Greater Accra.
Yes, a Greater Accra.
Auntie, Mami here is Eastern region. Why? Mami here is Eastern region. Eastern region. And that bad.
Still also
change John
Dramani
Mahama.
Now,
Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia will fi the north,
yes.
And now of Upper East and Upper West. Upper East. I check it. Upper East, Hono. Oh, the infant is Upper East and Upper West. Maybe I better check it. Upper East, no. From 408.
Upper West 420.
And Upper West here 420.
And then even Savannah cry or form Kaka.
Savannah so form.
But Northern
region no was so
at par with John Dramani Mahama. Yes.
At par with John Dramani Mahama. Not in the Northern region.
In the nominal figures, Mahama was so
1,423 as against 1,392.
Yes,
but one more year Aben, Northern region. Baoba Upper East,
Northeast,
and Upper West. Dr. John Dramani Mahama, LED, Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia in Upper East and Upper West.
And
then Savannah.
Northeast there, Dr. Bawumia was Mahama. So this is Northeast.
Yes. Northeast, no. Doctor,
so
what's about Northeast?
Northeast.
Northeast, no. Say ne vote no was wrong. Say John Dramani Mahama vote to an numbers.
But the difference is just 700.
Yes,
700.
Yeah, but just because nipa no numbers then also.
222. Yes, against
922.
700.
As against 19 just.
Oh,
they say nipa no one. If the nipa no said that no one. That number is a lot. So nipa no one, but then you can say just. And so that's about it.
Northeast in the sample size for Northeast was 1,207.
Yes,
1,207.
Or interview nipa 1,207 on Northeast.
Okay. So
it's out of that 922.
To be able to pull
now,
that much, it means it's a huge percentage out of the total.
Within that place. It means that he probably will pull a lot of votes from there.
How many people were undecided? Northeast.
Not
undecided. No, Violet. And the form cry what line no. I by what 20 na hu na akwaka red no
form cry.
Akwaka red no hu. Ado akwaka green no hu. Akwaka green. E green enim. E green enim ketwe bi. E green enim ketwe bi. Other parties in them say Northeast woman to woman count.
Debbie.
And for no em say be a chat down you don't for being on you know baby or what.
The cumulative table for the candidates and preferences.
All right.
Yeah.
And
according to it, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia
in all the 16 regions,
in all the 16 regions 23,432 people prefer Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. That is about 38.9% of the
or they compare party, any personality. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is ahead of his party.
Yes.
And then the party is ahead of John Dramani Mahama in this particular way now.
His party pulled 34.5%. But Onua has pulled 38.9%.
Yes.
We check it, John Dramani Mahama, so and also has 21,237%. 237,
which is 36.1%.
Oh, check it through
Hona, and no one saying.
Your check it through Hona, and no 38.8%.
And to real difference, the crowd, no, the partner, and yet
too huge.
He goes along with his party, although the party is slightly ahead.
Yeah.
But no, the party in the bank, but the MPP, the party, and Crawford in Yubium. One more MPP, no one as and Crawford, yeah. But Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, a feeling. Okay.
In the conclusion of research, when you know, say. The party NPP is less popular. However,
the candidate
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is more popular than John Dramani Mahama. That is the conclusion of the survey.
No.
Onua 95.1 FM.